Welcome to The Explainer. Let's unpack the macro drivers behind this week's absolutely explosive stock market relief rally.
Wall Street totally roared back to life, spearheaded by a staggering 5.2% weekly surge in the Nasdaq.
It was a massive, broad-based relief rally. Literally every major index posted strong gains of 3% or more.
So, what actually triggered this market-wide euphoria? It all basically came down to Friday's July employment data.
The report revealed a shocking zero payroll growth for the month, plus some massive downward revisions to June.
This perfectly captures current market psychology. Bad news is good news, because a cooling economy forces Fed action.
Because of this, the odds of a September Fed rate hike literally plummeted right after the print.
Those falling rate fears became a massive tailwind, pushing growth and tech stocks right back into market leadership.
Information tech and rate-sensitive homebuilders surged 7.2%, while materials also jumped thanks to climbing precious metals.
AI confidence completely returned, semiconductors surged 9%, while giants like Nvidia and Palantir just shrugged off July's volatility.
But it wasn't all green, you know. While tech soared, the energy sector slumped, becoming the week's biggest laggard.
Energy's drop was driven by intense geopolitical whiplash. Easing Middle East tensions largely outweighed temporary supply disruption fears.
As a direct result, crude oil prices actually tumbled over 10% for the week. Crazy, right?
Meanwhile, the bond market reacted swiftly. Both 2-year and 10-year Treasury yields plummeted roughly 10 basis points.
So let's look ahead. With the labor market clearly softening, what exactly should you be watching next week?
The answer is the July Consumer Price Index report. It's the ultimate sequel to this week's massive action.
The big takeaway? Investors desperately need this CPI print to confirm inflation is cooling enough to pause the Fed.
So, will the CPI validate Wall Street's massive relief rally or spark terrifying new fears? Stay tuned.